Stamped concrete patios offer homeowners an unbeatable combination of durability, cost-effectiveness, and design flexibility. Compared to alternatives like pavers, natural stone, or wood decking, these decorative concrete patios stand out with their extensive customization options and low maintenance requirements. From classic patterns to custom creations, the design possibilities for textured concrete patios are virtually limitless. The process of installing a stamped concrete patio ensures top-quality results that meet each client's unique vision. Homeowners can choose from a wide array of colors, textures, and patterns to complement their home's architecture and personal style. This versatility makes stamped concrete surfaces an ideal choice for creating personalized outdoor living spaces. Maintaining a stamped concrete outdoor living area is straightforward. Regular cleaning, avoiding harsh chemicals, and occasional resealing will keep the patio looking great for decades. This low-maintenance aspect makes decorative concrete patios an attractive option for busy homeowners who want to enjoy their outdoor space without constant upkeep. Investing in a stamped concrete patio adds value to a home and provides years of enjoyment. With skilled craftsmanship and superior materials, experienced contractors can create beautiful stamped concrete outdoor areas that withstand the test of time. For more information on transforming your backyard with a stunning stamped concrete patio, visit Apex Custom Concrete's website today.